Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about GoHighLevel versus ClickFunnels. Which one is better? So when comparing GoHighLevel and ClickFunnels, it's important to understand there's just distinct purposes and features for both of those, right? ClickFunnel 2.0 is a tool focused on building sales and marketing funnels and allows you to create websites, opt-in pages, landing pages, and membership sites. Now, on the other hand, GoHighLevel is more for a comprehensive solution aimed at marketing agencies and businesses. It offers tools like CRM, SMS marketing, content management, and it does also offer funnel building and many other things. Now, what you want to understand, I'm just going to tell you right away that for both of these, you should just really try the 14-day free trial. I mean, that's the best way to understand if either one of these are for you. You try them out, you test them out. It's free, 14 days. I'm sure if you need more time, you can, email them, get a hold of them and ask for more time. But that's going to be their best way. We'll go through everything and we'll compare each one, but really that's going to be your best way to know if it's right for you. Both platforms, they'll emphasize ease of use and plenty of tutorials available to help users navigate their features. Now, the pricing varies between the two. ClickFunnels, you're going to have anywhere from $147 to $297 per month. And then GoHighLevel starts at $97 is the lowest program, up to $497 per month. So first of all, let's look at ClickFunnels and its capabilities. So ClickFunnels 2.0's, it's a pretty powerful tool for sales and marketing. A lot of people use it. It lets you build websites, opt-in pages, and the landing pages that you need to really get your sales funnel going. They also have features for creating membership sites. I'm not sure how many people use that, but it is there. It's great for business and entrepreneurs who want to enhance their sales funnels. They want to get those leads into the funnel and start, getting who's the buyers, right? Some of the key features are like, we've already talked about sales funnel, which you create a sales funnel to boost your conversions. Then, it can help you with your website if you don't already have one. You have the opt-in pages. This will help you gain more subscribers with those opt-in pages. And then you have the landing pages. You can design those, and this helps you to do that for high converting landing pages. And then, like I said, if you really want to or you need to, they have a membership site building one where you can put exclusive content out there. Now, when you're looking at ClickFunnels, you also want to look at ease of use, right? Both beginners and advanced users can navigate it pretty easily, and there are plenty of tutorials out there for you to learn how to set it up. Now, GoHighLevel offers an all-in-one suite for marketing and business agencies. So it combines like CRM, SMS marketing, content management, and funnel building. So this makes a versatile tool for agencies managing multiple clients. So key features, right? CRM. It manages customer relationships efficiently for you. It can do all your SMS marketing. It can send and track SMS campaigns. Then you've got the content management, like it can organize all that stuff and handle all your content. And then it can do your funnel and landing page too. It can create those and help you maintain those. And then you've got marketing automation you can do. You can automate various marketing tasks with it. And then you can also build a membership site with it. Same thing as ClickFunnels. So what is the best fit for each platform, right? ClickFunnel 2.0 is going to be perfect for those focused on creating high converting sales funnel because it's going to offer you sales funnels, landing pages, and opt-in pages and everything you need to do that. GoHighLevel is going to be more geared towards marketing agencies or companies that want to track customers, right? With its all-in-one features, you've got the CRM, you got the SMS marketing, you got the content management, and more. Okay, let's look at a quick comparison. Ease of use. ClickFunnels 2.0 and GoHighLevel are both designed to be user-friendly. ClickFunnels is probably going to be more user-friendly. And really, it can be accessible to all kinds of different levels of technical expertise, so anybody in your organization can figure it out. ClickFunnels offers a clean, intuitive interface, and then it provides extensive training materials, and then it includes many online tutorials for additional guidance. GoHighLevel is going to be more, like we said before, it has an all-in-one dashboard, which is helpful, and it simplifies some of the navigation in there. But like I said, one of the things that it lacks a little bit is the formal training that the company provides. You can find most of it on YouTube. And then we've already talked about the cost, right? ClickFunnel 2.0 has different, pricing plans just like GoHighLevel does. And the range for ClickFunnel is 147 to 297. And each plan is going to have features and different tools and benefits for you, and you'll just have to see which one fits you. Now, GoHighLevel costs, we already mentioned it's $97. That's the starter one. And then it can go up to this white label plan for $497. And same thing, as ClickFunnels. The pricing plan depends on how much you need and what you want to do. So it goes higher as you need more. And you'll just have to look at each package and determine which one you want. Okay, so ClickFunnel is going to be best for you, and it's going to stick out and stand out if you want sales funnels. It's designed to help businesses and individual owners enhance their sales conversion rates. So like I said, that's what it's best for. Landing pages, opt-in pages, building it out, right? GoHighLevel is going to be suited to marketing agencies and companies that need an all-in-one solution, or they need to manage the full customer process and not just the sales funnel part of it. Now, both platforms don't offer really a free account option, where you can just get free forever. So you have to do that free trial. That's really where the key is. So just sign up for the 14-day free trial, test it out, see which one you want. You might already know, hey, my company, we just need to really track the full gambit of getting a customer in and tracking them through the whole process. So you're going to look at GoHighLevel. And then ClickFunnels is like, hey, I just need really to set up ClickFunnels because I just need that funnel part. I just need to drop in sales clients into the funnel, find out which ones are ready to buy, and then work them through the system. So what I would do is just sign up for the 14-day free trial and just give it a wing. Just try which one you need. And I hope you found this helpful. Please like or subscribe our channel and, let us know in the comments section what you think.